Hey guys, welcome back to the east coast of Tasmania and the renovation we've been doing on our shack right here. Now we've been putting a whole host of things in, but the piece de resistance is the Kaboodle cabinetry that we've popped into this little beauty. I want to show you, come check it out. Well, the kitchen has come up an absolute treat. It's not all about looks. We needed something that's functional. With 3 kids, we needed something that was family friendly, easy, and we'd enjoy. And this certainly fits the bill. So seamlessly we flow in off the kitchen for the butlers and the easy access to outside, so when the kids are coming back from the beach, they can get in here with their sandy clothes, we can chuck them straight in the washing machine, and it makes it so easy. Now, did you know there is versatility in the Kaboodle range? Pantries like this can turn into wardrobes like this. I've actually got really good fashion sense, don't I? Well, there you have it, our shack up here on the east coast of Tasmania, which we absolutely love. And I'll tell you what else I've loved, taking you guys behind the scenes and partnering with Kaboodle. Head to their website and check out our range. It's easy as. Well, time for me to go enjoy it a little bit more of this east coast bliss. See you later.